With all the confusion with COVID-19, we are here to support businesses to make the right choices when it comes to screening their workforce. We offer a number of affordable solutions which enable businesses to maintain productivity through the pandemic and safeguard their employees against this new viral threat. We have partnered with Fortress Diagnostics, a leader in diagnostics whose products have been validated by Porton Down, the UK top-secret military lab, the Oxford University, and is currently being used by Imperial College to study how our antibodies are reacting to the virus. They are CE approved and is registered with our health regulator, the MHRA. Our products have been selected as two of the highest performing devices for accuracy, specificity and sensitivity above 300 competitors. Our lateral flow antigen test enables businesses to reactively test their employees quickly and accurately if someone becomes infected and anyone in contact with them needs to get tested. Our test is also very effective in proactively testing for employees who don't show any symptoms but are spreading the virus unknowingly. It's so quick, you get your results in 15 minutes. Our antibody has been named the top performer by Imperial College and is one of the best products available in the market. You can use the antibody test to check if someone is still infectious after isolation, or if someone has gone on holiday and you need to check if they caught the virus during their time off. You can get your results as quickly as the antigen test. Our tests are for professional use only, and that's where we add real value. We provide an accredited training program to upskill your first aider into a trained first responder. This training will allow them to take samples safely and accurately and report back to the business for any infections in the workforce. All of our trainers are registered healthcare professionals. If you have a large workforce and need specific space to carry out your testing, we supply modular testing facilities fully fitted with the equipment you need to carry out the testing. If you already have the space, we can fit out the equipment required to test at scale. This silver bullet approach will ensure that the virus is detected quickly, so your team can carry on doing what you do best. Visit us today at nitesting.com or call us on 028 3044 8111 for more information on how we can protect your business and safeguard your employees through the pandemic.